Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस है वहाँ पर आप लोग लाइव रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of these special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to the teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through pros. So pro leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. Then next step is you have to enter your mobile number and OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. then you will get one OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. The you can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBC classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBC क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get denotified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. Hi friends, so now we will continue with today's topic, that is accidents, emergencies and prevention. So in previous lectures we have seen introduction about it, then accidents and emergencies, types of accidents, type of emergencies, handling accidents and emergencies. Now we are going to see hazards and sources of hazards and general evacuation procedure. So we have seen some of these points. Now we are going to see hazards and sources of hazards. Hazards क्या होते हैं और उसके sources क्या होते हैं. So first of all, what is a hazard? So a hazard is any source of potential damage, harm, or adverse health effects on something or someone. देखिए hazard क्या होता है? It is a source of any potential damage, कुछ damage, कुछ harms और कुछ health effects on something or someone. So workplace hazards can come from a wide range of sources. Workplace hazard जो है बहुत सी there are so wide ranges of sources from where workplace hazards can happen. Now general examples include that is any substance, material, then processes and practices that has the ability to cause the harm or adverse health effect to a person or the property. So just we will see one table regarding that. So we will see the hazards and their effects. So now we will insert okay. So first one we will see what are the source of hazard. The next point we will see the example of hazard. And then next we will see example of harm caused. So now let us see. First one is the, I will just change some settings so that it will be more visible to you. So first source of hazard is a thing that is something like for example knife. And example of harm caused. Knife से क्या हो सकता है? Yes, obviously some cuttings can be happen to your any part of the body. Then next source of hazard is substance. For example, benzene substance is there. What it happens? It causes the leukemia to your body or skin. Then next one is the material. So material like Mycobacterium, sorry, tuberculosis, and it can cause the tuberculosis. Then next one is the source of energy. For example, electricity. So it can cause the shock and electrocutions. Then next one is the condition. Some conditions are there, source of hazards like wet floor, and it can cause slip and falls. ये पॉइंट्स हम लोग पहले भी वर्क प्लेस सेफ्टी में जो है वो देख चुके हैं. Then next one is the process like welding. So what can happen? मेटल फ्यूम फाइबर जो है वो बहुत सारे वेल्डिंग करने की वजह से हो सकता है। दैट इज अगर वेल्डिंग करेंगे तो उससे मेटल फ्यूम फीवर हो सकता है। Then next one is the practice, like hard rock mining. So it can cause silicosis also. Then next one is the behavior, like bullying. It can cause the anxiety issues, then fear and depression. Okay, these are some of the sources of hazards and their causes, that is with example of harm which can be caused. देखिए अगर कोई थिंग हो जैसे कि नाइफ हो, सो इससे कट भी हो सकता है, देन सब्सटेंसेस लाइक बेंजीन हो, देन ल्यूकेमिया भी हो सकता है उससे, देन मटेरियल लाइक द माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, सो उससे ट्यूबरकुलोसिस आपको हो सकता है। देन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी जैसे कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, हम लोगों ने पहले भी देखा था, दैट इज इट कैन कॉज द शॉक as well as electrocution. Then some conditions like wet floors are there, so it can happen to slip and falls also. देन सम कुछ वेल्डिंग के प्रोसेसेस होते हैं जैसे कि मेटल फ्यूम फीवर होता है, सो दैट कैन कॉज सम फीवर ऑल्सो। एंड प्रैक्टिसेस लाइक हार्ड रॉक माइनिंग जिसको सिलिकोसिस हो सकता है, लाइक वै सम बिहेवियर से लाइक बुलिंग समबडी, सो उससे एंग्जाइटी इश्यूज, देन फियर एंड कई बार डिप्रेशन भी आ सकता है। So now let us see the workplace hazards that also include practices or conditions that release uncontrolled energy, like an object that could fall from a height, like potential or gravitational energy की वजह से। then a runaway chemical reaction, like some chemical energy होती है उससे भी हो सकता है। then release of compressed gas or steam, like pressure and high temperature हो सकता है। so then entangled of hair or clothing in rotating equipment, like kinetic energy or something. So generally instructions दिए जाते हैं कहीं पर वर्क प्लेस पे, that is tie your hair properly. Then contact with electrodes of a battery or capacitor, like electrical energy की वजह से hazard हो सकता है। So workplace hazards includes the same of practices on conditions that releases the uncontrolled energy, like potential or gravitational energy, then chemical energy, then pressure and high temperature, then kinetic energy और electrical energy. So ऐसे कुछ energies की वजह से, ऐसे कुछ conditions की वजह से hazards जो है generally occur होते हैं। Now we will see general evacuation procedures. So there may be extreme emergencies which require immediate evacuation, such as the event of a fire or other events like some chemical spill is there. So now let us see the general evacuation procedure. Which are listed as below. So the first one is the pull the fire alarm and leave the building. So fire alarm pull kare and leave the building, and also alert others to the nature and location of emergency on your way out. Then second one, remain calm and do not panic, and proceed calmly to the exterior and never push others. Like, if the exit is blocked or crowded, then use a secondary exit if available. ठीक है, उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, प्लीज रिमेन काम एंड डू नॉट पैनिक, proceed calmly to the exterior and never push the others. बहुत सारी भीड़ हो, that is exit is blocked, then use a secondary exit if available. Then third one is, if time permits, according to the time, shut down any hazardous equipment or processes. अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो शट डाउन एनी hazardous equipments or processes. Then next one is evacuate the building using stairs and closest exit. And most obviously, do not use elevators during fires. Building को evacuate करें using the stairs and closest exit, and do not use the elevators during fires. Obviously, a company should have at least 2 exit routes for proper evacuation during an emergency. कंपनी के पास कम से कम 2 exit routes होने चाहिए for proper evacuation. Then next one is, from a safe location and distance, dial 100 or 112 with information about the emergency and its location. So from safe location क्या करें, आपको dial 110, that is police or ambulance, and give the information about the emergency and its location. And once evacuated, then move away from the building upwind a minimum yards of 100 approximately, or to your designated upwind meeting location if applicable. Unless otherwise instructed by emergency personnel. The next point, if you are aware of an individual unable to self-evacuate or in need of medical care, immediately call 112 or 100, that is 100, and tell the dispatcher the exact location of the person or persons. So advise responding emergency personnel if anyone requires some medical treatment. So expanded evacuation may be required depending on the hazards which are present. Okay, if you are available about the an individual unable to self-evacuate or in the need of medical care, please call to the 100 or 112 and tell the dispatcher the exact location of the person. The next one is for individuals with disabilities. Assist them to reach out through corridors which are meant for them, or if it is possible, not possible, then take them in front of a window and signal emergency responders from the window to alert them of your presence. कोई physically disabled हो तो try to help them out to reach the corridors meant for them, and if it not possible, उनको क्या करें, विंडो के सामने ले जाए and take them signal for the emergency responders from the window to alert them of your presence. The next one is the individual that pulls the alarm and persons with information regarding stranded occupants or emergency details must notify responding emergency personnel. Then number 10, do not re-enter the building until authorized by emergency personnel. Then point number 11, that is, if you observe people not taking an alarm seriously, please encourage them to do so. So it may serve and save their life. It may save their life and will reduce the risks to responding the emergency first. Point number 12, be familiar with all exit locations of buildings you frequent prior to an emergency. And lastly, never ignore an evacuation alarm. So, doing so puts your and responding emergency personal lives in extreme danger. So it is your responsibility to evacuate and is also required by the law. So never ignore the evacuation alarm को आप लोग कभी भी ignore ना करें and doing supports your responsibility your and responding emergency personalized in extreme danger. So it is your responsibility to evacuate and is also required by the law. So these are some of the general evacuation procedures to follow if some emergency occurs. So friends, this is all about this chapter. The reference book which I use for this chapter, that is Information Technology by Sumita Rao for class 10, code 402 under NSQ for CBSE standards. So in this whole chapter, what we have seen introduction, what are the accidents and emergencies, types of accidents, types of emergencies, handling emergencies and accidents, handles and hazards and sources of the hazards and general evacuation procedure. So now let us get started with today's quiz session. सो फ्रेंड्स चलिए आज का क्विज हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो टुडेज आईटी क्विज, आज के क्विज में टोटल 20 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर and each question will be having 1 minute. So let's get started. So here is question number 1 on your screen. A company should have at least dash exit routes for proper evacuation during an emergency. Your options are A1, B2, C4 and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. टाइम अप. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज बी 2. देखिए कंपनी के पास एटलीस्ट 2 एग्जिट रूट्स होने चाहिए फॉर प्रॉपर इवैक्यूएशन ड्यूरिंग एन emergency. So here is the question number 2 on your screen. If you need to call 100, that is 100 or 112 in an emergency, what should you tell the dispatcher? First one, A, describe the emergency. B, give exact address of emergency. C, give your name and telephone number of the phone you are using. And D, all of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is B. Give exact address of emergency. Okay, if you are going to describe the emergency, you are going to give your number and telephone number. It will be the wastage of time, and in emergency, each and every minute and second is important. So correct answer is आपको क्या करना है? Give the exact address of the emergency. Then question number 3 is on your screen. The employer or the company is responsible for administrating and managing workplace safety steps. True or false? Your time starts now. टाइम अप. यस, एक कंपनी की यानी कि एक एम्प्लॉय की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो वर्क प्लेस सेफ्टी स्टेप्स जो है प्रॉपरली मैनेज करे. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, ट्रू. Then question number 4 is here on your screen. Which of the following should be included at your home for first aid kit? Options are A, hydrogen peroxide, B, aspirin, C, calamine lotion, and lastly all of the above. So your time starts now. टाइम अप. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. जो यहाँ आपके फर्स्ट एड किट में जो घर पर आप लोग फर्स्ट एड किट यूज़ करते हैं, यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड, एस्पिरिन और कैलेमाइन लोशन, ये तीन चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. Then we will move towards the next question, that is question number 5. Bhopal gas tragedy was happened due to lack of safety measures. True or false? Your correct answer waiting and time is started. Yes, it is correct that Bhopal gas tragedy was happened due to lack of safety measures. बहुत ही बड़ा हादसा था ये वहाँ पर. Near about 15,000 to 20,000 animals and human beings were suffered from this, and the death rate was also very high. So it was happened due to the lack of safety measures. Then question number 6, that is, it is okay to keep one password for all your accounts. So answers are A true, B false. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B false. That is, it is not okay to keep one password for all your accounts. That is, if one account is getting hacked, then your all password will be there to hackers. Then question number 7, that is, we should prefer private browsing mode. True or false? Your time starts now. So it is true that we should prefer private browsing modes to have the safety features. Then the question number 8, antiviruses help you to get rid of viruses. True or false? Yes, obviously it is true that antiviruses helps you to get rid of viruses. Then the question number 9 is on your screen. The act of buying an item online is called as A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. The act of buying an item online is called as A. E-shopping. Then we will move towards the next question. A person who writes a blog is called as A. Blog, B. Blogger, C. Blogging, and D. Blogosphere. So your time starts now. A person who writes a blog is called as the blogger. B. Blogger is the correct answer. And question number 11 is here on screen. Out of the following, which is or are the components of an email? A. Username, B. Domain, C. @ and D. All of the above. So your time starts now. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. जी हाँ, ये सारे कंपोनेंट के सिवाय, जब 3 कंपोनेंट्स के सिवाय ईमेल आईडी कंप्लीट होता ही नहीं है. दैट इज यूजर नेम इज कंपल्सरी, डोमेन नेम इज कंपल्सरी, एंड @ इज कंपल्सरी. दैट इज फॉर्मेट इज यूजर नेम @ domain name. So all of these components are necessary for email. Then question number 12 is here on this screen. What are the types of wireless connection? A. Wi-Fi, B. WiMAX, C. both A and B, and D. none of the above. So your time starts now. So both Wi-Fi and WiMAX are the types of wireless connection. So correct option is C, both A and B. Then the question number 13 is here on screen. Wi-Fi hotspots are totally secure to use. True or false? Time starts now. Obviously, the correct answer is B. False. Wi-Fi hotspots are not secure to use. The next question is that is wireless router doesn't require ISP. True or false? Your time starts now. It is obviously false that wireless routers doesn't require ISP. It requires actually ISP. The next question is what is DSL? A is digital system line, B digital subscriber line, C differential system line link, and D none of the above. So your time starts now. So DSL stands for B डिजिटल सब्सक्राइबर लाइन जो कि इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी के लिए यूज की जाती है. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. व्हाट इज ISP? Options are A internet system provider, B internet service provider, C instant services provider, and D none of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is ISP is B, इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, जो कि इंटरनेट सर्विसेज के लिए यूज किया जाता है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 70 is here on your screen. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with A. FTP, B. HTTP, C. HTTPS, and D. Any of these. Your time starts now. So the correct answer for entering personal and financial information for online transaction, a URL must begin with C. HTTPS, that is Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So the question number 18 is on your screen. What is IM? A. Instant mailing. B. Immediate messaging. C. Instant messaging. And D. None of the above. So your time starts now. सो देखिए, व्हाट इज़ आई मीन्स इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग. जैसे कि आप लोग ऑनलाइन चैटिंग वगैरह करते हो, सो उसको इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग कहा जाता है. लेकिन जैसे कि फेसबुक है, इंस्टाग्राम है, ट्विटर है, देन गूगल हैंगआउट्स आर देयर. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग. दैट इज live and real time chatting is nothing but that instant message. So the next question number 19 is here on your screen. Use of caps lock in chatting should be avoided as it is considered equivalent to A. Singing, B. Shouting, C. Threatening, and D. Complaining. So your time starts now. So Use of caps lock in chatting should be avoided as it is considered equivalent to shouting. ठीक है, जैसे कि कैप्स लॉक आप लोग चैटिंग में यूज करते हो, सो उसको शाउटिंग की तरह, चिल्लाने की तरह कंसिडर किया जाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट शुड बी अवॉइडेड एट इट इज कंसिडर्ड टू एंड इक्विवेलेंट टू द शाउटिंग. उसको थोड़ा सा ऑर्गन भी कहा जाएगा. Then the next question, that is question number 20, is on your screen. The act of buying or reserving tickets online is called as dash. Your options are A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and lastly D. None of the above. So your time starts now. So, the act of buying or reserving tickets online is called as per the name, e-ticketing. So, e-shopping में हम लोग देखा, you can buy items online, that is purchase goods online, and you can reserve the tickets online using the e-tickets. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in the next session with new topic. Till then, bye. So the next feature for the Plus and Iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for Plus and Iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas, and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's get it. So friends, Unacademy is freedom to learn offer. So this Independence Day, get the freedom to learn. Yes, this is new offer only for CBSE class 9th. So student, this is the exclusive offer for CBSE class 9. That is, we are pleased to inform you that is our new exclusive offer for our CBSE class 9 learners. That is, if you take up a CBSE class 9 subscription for 2 years, then you will get the subscription of IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC absolutely free. So what is this IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC category all about? I will tell you about that. You can build the foundation for the IIT, JEE right from class 9th. So it is having the structured courses that will help you to crack the multiple Olympiads like NTSC, IMO, and so on. Yes, obviously, and you can win the great national level scholarships. So you can save students 40% on your subscription price. So this is only for the first 500 CBSE learners, and the offer can be availed using the educator referral code. So you can use my educator referral code, that is TD Live. So just this is the limited time offer, and it is valid from the 11th of August 2021 to the 31st of August 2021. So students gets your subscription now. This is at limited period offer. देखिए दोस्तों, अनअकैडमी हर बार कुछ नया लाने की कोशिश करती है। सो इस बार जी हाँ, आप लोगों को जैसे कि पता होगा, you are having the last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription. So this offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. जी हाँ, हमारी क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन की जो चांस है इट इज गोइंग टू एंड। सो देखिए ऑफर्स कैसे, देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्यूरेशन, लाइक अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन 12, 15 यानी 8 मंथ्स का है क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का, then you will get that is a free creative corner subscription for 2 months, so whether it is plus or iconic based on your subscription। then अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है 24, 36 and 48 months का, so you will get the free creative corner subscription for 4 months। जी हाँ, 4 महीनों के लिए आपको फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा। सो ये अगर आपका प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपको प्लस का मिलेगा, अगर आपका आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपका क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दी, अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है फॉर 60, 72 एंड 84 मंथ्स का, इधर फॉर द प्लस और इधर फॉर द आइकॉनिक, सो आपको क्या रहेगा, फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा पूरे 6 महीने के लिए, इट इज टोटली फ्री। प्लस का है तो प्लस का मिलेगा, आइकॉनिक का है तो आपको आइकॉनिक का 6 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है टोटली फ्री मिलेगा। सो हरी अप, इट इज लिमिटेड पीरियड टाइम ऑफर एंड यू कैन यूज माय कोड दैट इज गिवन हियर, दैट इज TD Live, to get the free subscription also for the Creative Corner. So this is your last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription, and the offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. So choice is yours. So with an academy subscription, you will get, with one subscription comes the great benefits, like you will get the unlimited access to 7 subjects, 7 सब्जेक्ट्स को आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा, एंड यू विल गेट द इंडियाज टॉप एजुकेटर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम। ऑब्वियसली आपको पूरा सिलेबस मिलेगा, यू विल गेट द फुल सिलेबस फॉर NCERT and as well as dedicated plus courses। and yes, obviously without Unacademy subscription you will be having a lot of confusion, so jaldi kijiye students, choice is after all yours। so subscribe now before it is too late। so the next exams are I think just 2 months, right? so you can get the 10% discount on using the educator referral code, so please use my educator referral code, that is TD Live, so to get the 10% discount। so jaldi kijiye, hurry up, the time is getting over। So friends, we are having the mega launch every Mondays, as you know। So here we are having the Laksh Foundation batch for IIT and JEE aspirants। So ये बैच किसी लिए, देखिए फॉर CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए भी है एंड CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए। एंड यस, पहले हम लोग देखते हैं CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए। इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट on the 31st of the August 2021, 31st August को ये बैच स्टार्ट होगी, and we are having the subjects like maths and science with the expert teachers। yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises also। and also अगर आप लोग IIT JEE के एस्पिरेंट्स हो फॉर CBSE क्लास 10, सो यहाँ पर भी आपकी जो लक्ष्य फाउंडेशन बैच है वो 31st August 2021 को स्टार्ट हो रही है। सो वी आर हैविंग द स्पेशल स्ट्रेचेस फॉर द मैथ्स एज वेल एज द साइंस। तो देखिए मैथ्स की जो डेट है वो 1 सितंबर को स्टार्ट होती है एंड साइंस इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st of August 2021। सो वैसे ही CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए IIT JEE एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक और CBSE क्लास 10 की बैच रहेगी, दैट इज लक्स फाउंडेशन बैच। It is for maths, it is going to start on 17th of September 2021, and for science it is going to start on 31st of August 2021। so yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing sessions and NCERT exercises। so students जो obviously class 9th and 10th के IIT and JEE के लिए interested हैं, they are having the golden chance for it। and yes, you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off discount। so देख किस बात की है students, join our new Laksh Foundation batches। so friends, let me tell you about the basic about the plus subscription। एंड ऑल्सो द एडवांस प्लान ऑफ द बेसिक, दैट इज आइकॉनिक जो है ये प्लस का जो है एडवांस्ड वर्जन रहेगा. देखिए प्लस में जो यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द बेसिक प्लान टू गेट स्टार्टेड. एंड यस ऑब्वियसली एट आइकॉनिक यू कैन टेक योर सीबीएसई प्रिपरेशन टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल विद पर्सनल मेंटर. देखिए प्लस के फीचर्स क्या क्या है. यू आर हैविंग द इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स as well as the interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs also. एंड इन आइकॉनिक में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ आइकॉनिक में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज एंड पीडीएफ्स आल्सो. सो यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकॉनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, live interaction with your mentors also, and yes obviously parent connect भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, that is teacher parent connection रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकॉनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी पैनल जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड दैट इज स्टडी लाइव फॉर फ्लैट 10% ऑफ डिस्काउंट फॉर बोथ, दैट इज ऑन द प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सॉल्यूशंस. यू कैन सेलेक्ट द प्लस और आइकॉनिक बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइसेस. सो उसके प्लान्स कैसे देखिए, अगर आप लोग सीबीएसई का क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा. अगर क्लास 10 का लोगे तो 10th, 11th, 12th आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 फॉर द 3 months, दैट इज 2,500 फॉर per month. Now if you are having the 6 month subscription then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now if you are going for the 24 month subscription then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months, that is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर द 48 मंथ सब्सक्रिप्शन उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा एंड 830 विल बी फॉर पर मंथ. देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा. सो बेसिक क्लास का 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए द सेम केस फॉर 3 months, 6 months, 12, 15, 18, 24, 36 एंड 40 months. देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा विथ 4,000 पर मंथ. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज 6 months 17,000 रहेगा विथ 2,833 पर मंथ. देन 12 months का रहेगा 28,000. देन 15 months का रहेगा 32,000. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000. 24 months का रहेगा 48,000. 36 months का रहेगा 66,000 एंड 48 months का रहेगा 83,000, that is 1,729 per month. सो वैसे अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, क्लास 10th, 11th और 12th का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए. 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए. 6 month का रहेगा 10,000 के लिए. 12 months का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए. 15 months का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए. देन 18 months का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए. एंड लास्टली 36 month का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा. And the same case for the iconic, that is for class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription, that is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000. then 6 months का 17,000. 12 months का 28,000. 15 months का 32,000, that is 2,133 per month. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए. ऑब्वियसली वैसे क्या रहेगा 36 मंथ का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के, दैट इज 1,833 पर मंथ विथ 54% डिस्काउंट. एंड yes obviously you can use my code that is TD Live for flat 10% ऑफ डिस्काउंट. सो स्टूडेंट जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर दैट इज प्लस और आइकॉनिक प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए. सो फ्रेंड्स हर बार की तरह इस बार भी अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैक ला रही है. जी हाँ, वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप ट्रस्ट वंस अगेन अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैक. सो इस बार you can win the scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. So link is given in the description box. So obviously this Unacademy Mega Compact is on every Sunday and you can use my code that is TDLive for the educator referral codes. So देखिए Unacademy Mega Compact बहुत से आप स्टूडेंट्स ने दिए होंगे, कुछ ने नहीं दिए होंगे. So let me tell you about that. So Unacademy Mega Compact Scholarship Tips, that it is formula for your success in CBSE classes 9 and 10. You can win one scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. देखिए लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जो लिए थे बैचेस उसके 1 करोड़ के थे. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग द 2 करोड़ स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर. सो आपकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ यू कैन विन द प्राइजेस आल्सो. एंड दिस मेगा कॉम्बैट स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट आर फॉर सीबीएसई क्लासेस 9th एंड क्लास 10. सो डेट लिख लीजिए. द अपकमिंग मेगा कॉम्बैक्ट इज ऑन August 29th 2021 at 11 AM. सो एनरोल ऑनलाइन लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे चुके हैं हम लोग पहले से ही. सो उसका फॉर्मेट देखिए कैसा रहेगा. यू विल बी हैविंग 30 क्वेश्चंस एंड 45 मिनट्स फॉर दैट. These questions and you are having the 45 minutes to solve this. The test will be obviously available in Hindi as well as English language. Both languages में आपको टेस्ट अवेलेबल रहेगी, हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश में भी. And test will be live. It will be the free live test on your Android application. So join कीजिए and enroll now for Unacademy Mega Compact. डेट लिख लीजिए August 29 at 11 AM. So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code that is TDLive for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10%. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. Try it all of the features for free using my code that is TDLive. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Unacademy, let's crack it.